Hello, beautiful people. I have this great jar, and I think jelly or jam came in it. And what? I can't say it. Okay, I'm just going to keep going because I keep having to redo this because it sounds really funny when I say jelly or jam. Okay, so I've got this, and I couldn't get rid of it. And I've got some stuff here. I got Dollar Tree spoons, just the handles. And then I have some diamond wrap. I also have diamond wrap with the little flower mesh in it. And I've already glued it on. And those are ready to go. And I also have some of these little blue beads. So let's get started. First, I'm going to take this little 3-row diamond wrap and just cover up the top completely. I'm going to go all the way around. So starting with the spoon handles, I am placing them just on each of the little creases. I don't know what it's called actually, but I love the fact that it kind of comes off and goes to the top, so I can do something with that for sure. So I have my lighter here, and of course my blue beads, which I'm using at the top here. And what I'm doing is just taking the little edges where I can't quite get that little rope part off. And I'm going to go ahead and burn the rest of these and then put them on, and we'll get ready for the reveal.